Welcome to AI Millionaire movement. In recent years, the concept of making money on YouTube without ever showing your face has gained significant traction, attracting a diverse range of creators who prefer to remain anonymous. Faceless YouTube channels operate on the premise that content can be engaging and profitable without the creator's physical presence. This approach allows individuals to maintain their privacy while still tapping into the vast potential of the platform. By focusing on high-quality content, these creators can build a loyal audience and generate substantial income through various monetization methods, such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The allure of faceless channels lies in their versatility. They can cover a wide array of topics, from educational content and tutorials to entertainment and commentary, all while keeping the creator's identity hidden. Numerous success stories highlight the potential earnings of anonymous creators, showcasing how they have turned their faceless channels into lucrative ventures. For instance, channels dedicated to animation, storytelling, or even gaming have amassed millions of subscribers and views, leading to impressive revenue streams. Some creators have reported earnings in the six-figure range annually, all while maintaining their anonymity. This success is often attributed to their ability to produce engaging content that resonates with viewers, proving that personality is not the only factor that drives channel growth. The rise of these faceless channels demonstrates that with the right strategy and dedication, anyone can carve out a niche for themselves on YouTube, regardless of their willingness to be in front of the camera. As we delve deeper into the world of faceless YouTube channels, it's essential to explore the various niches and strategies that can lead to success. The beauty of this approach is that it opens the door to countless possibilities. For example, educational channels that focus on topics like science, history, or personal finance can thrive without a visible host, relying instead on engaging visuals and informative narration. Similarly, channels that curate content, such as top 10 lists or compilation videos, can attract large audiences by presenting information in a visually appealing format. Moreover, the gaming niche has seen a surge in faceless creators who utilize voiceovers and gameplay footage to entertain their viewers. These channels often build a strong community around shared interests, allowing creators to monetize their content effectively. Another popular avenue is the realm of relaxation and meditation, where creators produce soothing sounds or visuals to help viewers unwind, all while remaining behind the scenes. In addition to identifying the right niche, successful faceless creators often employ various strategies to enhance their visibility and engagement. Utilizing SEO techniques, such as keyword optimization and compelling thumbnails, can significantly increase a channel's reach. Collaborating with other creators, even if they are also faceless, can help tap into new audiences and foster growth. Consistency in content creation is crucial, as regular uploads keep viewers engaged and encourage subscriptions. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content to help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. The world of faceless YouTube channels presents a unique opportunity for individuals to generate income while maintaining their privacy. With numerous success stories and a variety of niches to explore, aspiring creators can find their place in this thriving ecosystem. By focusing on quality content, employing effective strategies, and remaining dedicated to their craft, anyone can potentially achieve financial success on YouTube without ever stepping into the spotlight. As we continue to explore this fascinating topic, we will uncover more insights and tips for those looking to embark on their faceless YouTube journey. In the realm of content creation, particularly on platforms like YouTube, the term niche refers to a specific category or segment of content that targets a particular audience. A niche can encompass a wide range of topics, from cooking and travel to technology reviews and personal finance. By focusing on a niche, creators can tailor their content to meet the interests and needs of a defined group of viewers, which can significantly enhance engagement and loyalty. This targeted approach allows creators to establish themselves as authorities within their chosen field, making it easier to attract and retain an audience that shares similar passions or interests. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success on YouTube, as it can directly influence a channel's growth and monetization potential. When creators select a niche that aligns with their expertise and interests, they are more likely to produce authentic and engaging content that resonates with viewers. This authenticity fosters a deeper connection with the audience, encouraging them to subscribe, share, and engage with the content. Additionally, a well-defined niche can help creators stand out in a crowded marketplace. With millions of channels competing for attention, having a specific focus allows creators to differentiate themselves and attract viewers who are specifically searching for that type of content. Moreover, selecting a niche can impact the overall strategy for content creation. For instance, a creator focusing on a niche like vegan cooking will likely develop a different content plan than someone in the tech review space. The former might create recipe videos, cooking tips, and meal prep guides, while the latter may focus on product reviews, unboxings, and tech news. This tailored approach not only helps in content planning but also in understanding the audience's preferences and expectations, leading to more effective engagement strategies. Encouraging viewers to think about their interests when selecting a niche is essential for long-term success. Passion is a driving force behind content creation, and when creators choose a niche that genuinely excites them, it reflects in the quality of their work. Viewers can sense enthusiasm and authenticity, which can significantly enhance their viewing experience. Therefore, aspiring creators should take the time to reflect on their hobbies, skills, and areas of expertise. What topics do they enjoy discussing? What knowledge do they possess that could benefit others? By answering these questions, creators can identify potential niches that align with their interests and strengths. Additionally, it's important for creators to consider the audience they want to reach. Understanding the demographics, preferences, and pain points of potential viewers can help refine niche selection. For example, a creator passionate about fitness might choose to focus on a specific demographic, such as busy professionals or new mothers, tailoring their content to address the unique challenges faced by that group. This targeted approach not only enhances viewer engagement but also increases the likelihood of building a loyal community around the channel. Defining a niche is a fundamental aspect of content creation that can significantly impact a creator's success on YouTube. By focusing on a specific category of content, creators can establish themselves as authorities, engage their audience more effectively, and differentiate themselves in a competitive landscape. Encouraging viewers to reflect on their interests and passions when selecting a niche is vital, as it fosters authenticity and enthusiasm in content creation. Ultimately, the right niche can pave the way for a fulfilling and successful journey on YouTube, allowing creators to connect with like-minded individuals and share their unique perspectives with the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.